Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying Windows 10 or 11 and signing in with an administrator account. Once done, back up the registry key for themes so you can undo changes if needed, and open Settings Personalization Colors. Set the default app mode to Dark now. This applies dark theme broadly, but not always Explorer's content area. This first action prepares the system and prevents mistakes, and it ensures you can revert quickly if the change behaves unexpectedly. Now you'll perform the precise override in the registry. Open Regedit as administrator and go to /key/current-user/software /Microsoft/Windows/current version /themes/personalize. Create or set two word values. Apps use light theme equals 0 and system uses light theme equals 0. These force apps and system UI, including File Explorer, into dark mode where supported. After making those changes, restart the Explorer process or sign out and back so Windows reloads theme settings. Finish by confirming File Explorer shows the black background and dark UI elements. If some areas remain light, run gpupdate/force, reboot, or reapply the registry values and restart Explorer again. If problems persist, restore your exported registry key and run System File Checker, sfc/scano, or check for pending Windows updates. Corrupted theme assets or pending updates often block the change. One key troubleshooting tip: restore the backup registry export to undo mistakes quickly and try the steps again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.